Dali na, oy!
Ito, Sheila. May mga tropa ka dyan.
Ay, dito ka na lang ako
Ewan ko.
aalis na to eh.
I don't know.
Ano na?
Ano?
Ito maganda pala ito.
Tinitibalas ka
Maganda
na?
ng boses pag nag-i-English.
Say hi.
Sheila. Hi. My name is Gab. Happy ever
Ay, dito pala, dito.
daily life routine. Hindi short documentary. Ano na my God?
Ano nyo na lang, hindi pa. Ano nyo mga
Oh my gosh! Siya,
Nahulog ang with vibes mo doon.
Uy, wait, wives, magpakilala ka naman.
Hello, my name is DJ.
Dala.
0917.
099 ka. 17, no?
Asan na?
Ano yung intro ko? This is Wave 891. Keeping you
Hello, sir.
live in the air. Ganun na lang, no?
Sir, ma'am,
Keeping
sir,
you
ma'am.
live in the air.
Ito patulong pa kay
Uy,
Sheila.
paturo nga ng mga speech, yung mga black
Speech.
kemerot, barurot. Dali.
Oh, ito.
Sabi mo, with
Oh,
wives?
dito, sino po dito?
Tapos,
This is only, ano
Ay,
yun?
bigla mong ilongguhin pag
Oo, pag nawalan ako ng words, ate, magkakating kayo.
Oh, sa may dulo. Okay na?
Ay,
grabe.
Ayun na ba?
Ito, paano yung makikita?
Ayun na.
Magbabagalan ko lang. Ito yung kilala mo na lang last.
Ang bilis kasi.
Yung mga sumasagot na sure ka, sumasagot. Kahit lalaki pa yan. At saka yung tingin mo maniniwala sa
Ay,
tuwa
ako.
ganyan. Yung mahilig ba kinig sa Wave 8 na yung mga ano.
Ay, pumps na.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Wave 891. My name is DJ Jack from Apple Jack, keeping you live in the air. You're a lucky pick for today, sir. Can I kindly ask what's your name? I would like to ask your name, sir.
Fail!
Fail pa! Ano? Sabi niya, ano? Kaklase ko ba yung mga nandito?
Wala eh, kita mo.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Wave 891. Hello. Ma'am, this is Wave 891. My name is DJ Jack from Apple Jack. I'm keeping you live in the air. You have a chance to win a prize, ma'am. But first you need to answer a question. Is it okay? I would like to ask you for your name. Brando? Brando or Brando? Okay, Miss. I would like to ask you about LeBron James. From which team no. I'll just another question, okay? Because that question was been answered before. What's the tallest tower in the world? The tallest tower in the world. Twin Tower? You sure? You only have 30 No, you only have 30 seconds. Yeah, you can think about it. You're sure? Okay! Ding, 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 ding. You won the prize. And your prize is isang suyo tsaka suklay with free kuto and dandruff. Wait. Hello? Hello? Wait a minute, ma'am. I'm serious.
Ay, mga sabaw to. Mga buisit kayo.
Anyways, ma'am, thank you.
Drop nyo na lang. Drop.
Thank you. Naulol ako, nawawalan ako ng words.
Nakadaan sa lada ngayon na. So, Mark Nagab.
Yan lang. Ano, nandun si Sariada?
Oo.
Hindi sa panel?
Nasa tunga po tayo magkaklase.
Sige.
Dala kang pamaypay.
Bakit mainit? Suyo.
Hindi.
Okay, thank you sa time. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Maganda pag may speaker tayo, tapos may mga